Let's begin. Topics to be covered: meaning of health, healthcare in India, public and private healthcare services, healthcare inequality, work to be done in order to improve the health situation. Introduction. Healthcare in India has a long history of 3500 years. Emperor Ashoka was the first leader to provide healthcare to all citizens. The Indian constitution supports the right to health for everyone. People expect the government to work for their welfare, including healthcare. What is health? Health is important for a good life. Small changes like eating fruits and drinking water are helpful. Regular checkups prevent serious health problems. Health includes avoiding diseases and other factors. Healthcare in India. Healthcare in India is provided by the states and territories. Facilities like hospitals and health centers are needed for healthcare. Government hospitals offer treatment at low or no cost. India has the resources but struggles to provide healthcare for all. Public health services. Public health services, government run chain of health centers and hospitals. Primary health care. Free treatment at city and district hospitals, rural health centers. Primary care. Immunization, common illness treatment, prenatal care, referral system. Indian healthcare. Challenges in rural areas, international quality standards, and medical tourism. Private health facilities. There are many private health facilities in our country. Doctors have their own clinics, especially in cities. Private facilities requires patients to pay for services. Private companies also run hospitals and sell medicines. Traditional practices of healthcare. Indigenous medical practitioners still exist in the country. Ayurvedic and Unani are the main traditional medicine practices. Vaidya practices Ayurveda and Hakim practices Unani. Training is available in indigenous medical practice. Central government's role. Critics say national policy lacks specific measures for goals. Central government focuses on 5 years plan and health programs. 1983 National Health Policy aimed for universal health care by 2000. India is attracting medical tourists with quality health care. Healthcare and equality. India has many healthcare facilities, but they are understaffed. 15% of the Indian population lacks access to healthcare. Private hospitals are mainly found in urban areas and focus on profit. Many people, especially in rural areas, cannot afford medical treatment. Health insurance. Most Indians can't afford good health care from private providers. People want insurance to pay for better health care. Insurance companies can benefit from India's healthcare market. The IRDA is in charge of insurance regulations in India. Causes of health issues. India has high level of diseases like malaria and tuberculosis. India has 1/3 of the world's tuberculosis cases. India is one of 4 countries where polio has not been eradicated. India faces challenges with HIV, pollution, malnutrition, and water and sanitation. What can be done? Health situation in our country is not good. Government should provide equality health care to all citizens. Health depends on basic amenity and social conditions. Recommendations include addressing social inequalities and empowering communities. Powers and duties of the state legislature. State legislature makes laws like parliament. They can make laws on specific subjects. Central law is more powerful than state law. State legislature has non-legislative functions too. Limitations. Limitations placed on state legislatures. Governors can withhold assent to law affecting national unity. Governors send such bills to the president for approval. एक सेकंड ये मैं पढ़ चुकी हूँ. ये मैं पढ़ चुकी हूँ. सेम टॉपिक ऐसे दोबारा सेम लाइन भी. बट ये पूरा सेम है. कई स्लाइड्स तो नहीं सेम हो गई. देखो व्हाट कैन बी डन फिर से आ गया. देखो स्टेट अभी तो हम लोग हॉस्पिटल के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. ये कहाँ से आ गया. कौन सा दूसरा. अरे जैसे ये आ गया. व्हाट कैन बी डन, ये तो हेल्थ केयर का चल रहा है ना, तो ये ड्यूटीज़ कहाँ से आ गई, पावर एंड ड्यूटी?
ये दूसरा टॉपिक होगा नीचे में,
नहीं, अभी मैंने पिछली स्लाइड में पढ़ा है।
पावर्स एंड ड्यूटीज।
हाँ सेम यही पढ़ा है, क्योंकि ये तो उसका चल रहा है ना हेल्थ केयर का, तो उसमें ड्यूटीज़ कहाँ से आ गई? हाँ कट कट।